Hi, I'm Joe Pior with Boomerang Consulting. And today I'd like to show you SAP Energy and Environmental Resource Management on HANA. SAP Energy and Environmental Resource Management allows companies to quickly analyze data in real time and respond to trends in this data. First, we're going to take a look at the VP of Operations dashboard. And once we log in, we will see KPIs presented to us in an easy visual format so we can quickly see what's going on in an organization. And here we're going to take a look at a heat map to get a better idea of some important information for our organization. So here we can see that one of our buildings has higher than usual consumption. So we're noticing a 10% variance for this building. So we can easily get some details as to the exact usage of this building. Next, we're going to take a look at the Site Energy Champion task board. So we can see this is the person responsible for master data loading. So we can go to the import jobs and easily take a look at how our batch jobs are progressing. And we can also take a look at the tasks assigned to this person. So we can see enter monthly energy invoice data, the task they have assigned to them. So they can go in here and input the time of use, the energy cost, all of these things, and then update the task from in process to completed. And as you can see, the system wants you to go ahead and input text here, and so it does not allow this task to be updated until you put in the long text description. So here we're going to note that unusually high electricity use has been detected. Next, we're going to take a look at the Site Energy Manager functions. So as you can see right here, we have another dashboard for this role, and we can quickly see a variety of KPIs here. We're interested here in taking a look at the total electricity consumption for this building. We can take a look at the actual components of this building. We're going to take a look at both of the pumps here, and we can choose what data we're grouping by. So we're going to go by asset name and then also time period. So we can see here data for both of our pumps, and we're actually going to add a couple more key figures. We're going to add actual efficiency for both pumps, and then also target efficiency as well. And so what we can see here is we're seeing that one of our pumps is not performing as well as the other one. So the next thing for us to do is to actually create a maintenance notification for somebody to go out there and take a look at the pump that's not performing as well. So in order to make that maintenance notification, all we have to do is go to our maintenance processing tab and select our notification type. So we have quite a few notification types we can use, but in this case, we're just going to make a maintenance request. So here we just put in details about what's going on. We're going to indicate here that pump 1 is consuming too much energy. We've got a technical object for that pump. So we can go ahead and save this notification. And the next step is to take a look at what the corporate energy manager will see upon logging in. So we can also see there's another dashboard here with KPIs. They're of course different for this role. What we're interested in here is BTU measurements and trends for all of our sites. So we can once again easily filter by these key figures and dimensions. So we'll take a look at monthly costs. We can see data here for each site by period. We can take a look at the initiatives dimension and select all of these, and then get this output in table format by any of the attributes we choose. So here we have all of our data. We can also look at that in a variety of formats. We'll choose a bubble chart in this case, and we can get another view of the same data that's more visually appealing and easier to analyze. Another great feature is we can easily share this data by simply clicking the mail icon. So here we can share this data with our colleagues and pass on what we gathered from our real-time analysis. The next thing we're going to do is take a look at the energy procurement dashboard. So we can go here and see from this heat map view, we notice that our natural gas rate for this site is higher than usual. So we can, of course, take a look at the details of this. And then we can go to our supplier dashboard and get some additional info. So here we can see the supplier cost for our sites, and we can easily get an idea of the KPIs that we're interested in. Once again, we can click on the mail icon and share this data from our analysis. The Energy and Environmental Resource Management solution powered by HANA allows us to quickly analyze data in real time and then act based on this analysis. If you'd like to learn more about this solution and how it can affect your business, please contact Sabrina Sigourney of Blue Marble Consulting. You can check out our website at simple-sap.com or contact us at either of these two phone numbers.